this is how you connect the CP-E39A camera with the Bluetooth. So this is the home screen of EzyKam app. Now I'm going to click this EzyKam app, and here is the device list. So what you need to do, you just need to click on this device list and you need to select your camera. Our camera is CP-E39A, so we are going to select this CP-E39A. Where is your camera?
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
This is our CP-E39A. Then next, and here you can go the EZ mode. Click on the EZ mode. Now click on the next.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
This is our Wi-Fi password. Now this camera is being added.
Wi-Fi connection, please wait.
And this camera is being added via Bluetooth.
Wi-Fi connection success.
हमारे में कैसे ऐड हुआ है?
दिस इज हमारे में EZ मोड के थ्रू
हमारे EZ मोड
ब्लूटूथ इक्वल टू EZ मोड है हमारे इसमें. एंड दिस इज हाउ यू connect add the camera in the EzyKam app CP-E39A. Thank you. And if you want to go back, here you can see the device list CP-E39. Thank you.